Hello! Today we're talking about Proof-of-Stake project. Proof-of-the-work is the current state of consensus algorithms for blocking the first generation. The proof of the bet is a new kind of the block, and 1918-1919 are the years in which PoS will be full the main players in blockchain. When PoS becomes a new gold standard blockchain, pool of stake will be ready to become the biggest pool for PoS. The main value of crypto mines is completely heartless, conflict-proof protocols and decentralization. PoE is not ecologically sustainable and shows fundamental problems that threaten decentralization. For example, first-generation cryptos, Bitcoin, create new coins extraction, that is a computing power used to solve mathematical puzzles based on the rules of the chain. Due to the sustainable growth of the network over time, Bitcoin's PoE algorithms face fundamental problems. If the current block size, Bitcoin has the maximum transaction capacity transaction per second, with the maximum transaction cost about $50 and the annual energy consumption in the 35 TWS, the same as in New Zealand. This fact shows that the digital cryptocurrency of the first-generation Bitcoin network has fundamental elimination for scalable and problems with effectively that leads him to divide from his basic philosophy. While community Bitcoin Fura and divided the Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash in 2019, other parties and community have taken a step into the future. Event a new consensus algorithm, proof of the best POC. In 1918-1919, Ethereum will switch from POV to POC. POC is the future blockchain and pool of stake already have become to bring coin holder POC together and make the maximum profit possible. There are no miners as such. Instead, there are validators or stacks. The next block is proposed and executed by a randomly selected sentences validator. The power of choice for each examinator depends on how wide the number of coins issued. This means that you do not necessarily create new coin, whereas by blockchain, but basically as a result they receive transaction fees instead of mining awards. According to the founder of Ethereum, the benefits of POC include security, reducing the risk of decentralization, and energy efficiency. This means that small miners can earn money by checking transactions in POC. There are, however, two more problems for little stakers, and that's the proof of bits. The first, the node of validators must be online 24/7. To fake it, a new block sometime. In a home environment, only a few can follow him. Second, his likelihood of receiving a transaction confirmation depends on the individual weight. This means that the validator with a high rate gets a far greater chance of forwarding and improving a new block transaction, variably transaction fees and received. Here are the reasons to create a pool of bets. It acts as a single node that team up and create a significantly high network weight and collect more rewards with the service of pool of stake. The pool members can use their coin to give passive income of themselves. A major advantage of POC over POF security is there is a lot of less economic incentive for proofs and individual network. Some post-block critics cite the Ethereum Castor built-in mechanism that destroys malicious actors and forces them to lose their own investments. This makes attack unprofitable. Pool of Stake is promising in my opinion. It's a new and prospective project open up a wealth of opportunities. To learn more, you can read white paper and join us in Telegram chat if you have any question. Thank you. Goodbye.